before I start this video, yes, this is another helicopter video, as you can see in the title. I will make a series, okay, Exotic Venom? I will make a series, except, guess how much of a ripoff the helicopter is? If I charge it for 2 hours, which is how much you're supposed to charge it, you can only fly it for 7 minutes. Like, seriously. Okay, so, we're gonna, and I will make a, okay, we're gonna try and land it on the chair. Although in the last episode we did. Oh, no, what the hey? Oh my. Fly, no. You're gonna hit the camera. No! Okay, it didn't hit the camera. Let's try this again. Let's just go up and forward and stop. No. Up. No, stop there. Up. I wonder what I'm going to call this one. If the first one was, what did I even call the first one? I don't know what I called the first one. I called it I don't even know what I called it anymore. And then I called the second one, I'm a terrible pilot. No, it's running out of battery. Look, I put it all the way up, and look, seriously, you have to ruin everything. Yeah, this is running out of battery. But I'll do this for you guys as entertainment. Let's make it breakdance again. That was funny. Oh yeah, the first one was called Breakdancing Helicopter. Let's see it breakdance again. No, this thing's full. Whoa, okay. Wow, that's horrible. Okay, yeah. This thing's out of battery. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.